to thank the Rowe ISA for putting together an awesome assembly that featured a guest performance by the regionally renowned Four Directions drum and dance group.
For 7th grader Isaiah G, this was a family affair. You can read more about Isaiah and his story along with the story of Four Directions drum and dance group in the article written for NCSD Stories.
We posted the article in the Rowe Hub and on our social media pages. Thanks, Rowe community, for cooperation during the assembly.
And thanks again for the ISA for organizing such an awesome event.